All right, today in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to make your WordPress website load faster, okay? The number one thing is when you're uploading your images to your website, you do not want to upload large files like 1 MB, 2 MB, 3 MB, etc. You want to keep it to the KB files, like preferably under like 300. Really, I prefer more like 54 KB, 60, 70, 80 KB when I'm uploading image files. And if you guys have a bunch of large image files, you can easily take it over to Canva and then upload it into Canva and basically create a new picture. Just slide that picture over, re-download it in a JPEG file, and it'll give you a small KB file to upload your images. That's the first step. Okay. Now, if you want to upload larger files, you're going to have to get a CDN, which is a content delivery network system. And that is a whole nother video. That is a lot of steps into that, which I do provide a tutorial on how to do that on my website, MLM page. For my members on the inside, they can access a tutorial on how to create a CDN network and upload it. I go through the whole steps to be able to create like a YouTube type of website or a TikTok type of website. I have the training on the inside of MLM page. But anyways, this video is how to create your WordPress website and make it load faster. So another thing is your plugins. Now, I'm assuming that you guys are familiar with WordPress and you know how to upload plugins. You do not want to upload a ton of plugins. It will clog up your website. I recommend no more than 30 plugins. I have ran sites that had 40 plugins on it or less, like 40, in between 35, 36, 37, 40 plugins. My highest was like 40 plugins. And I was still able to accomplish a high speed for my website. And I accomplished all this, guys, by using one plugin. I'm going to share that plugin with you here in a little bit. I'm not into really coding, but one of the best ways to speed up your WordPress website is to really just implement some code in the background and without using any plugins or anything to accomplish high speeds. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to upload one plugin, and that's all you really need, and you're going to be amazed. Okay, so first, I'm going to take you to basically MLM page, or we're going to go to Pingdom. Actually, let's go check out Pingdom and see how MLM page is. Pingdom. Let's go to Pingdom speed test, and then I'm also going to take you to GT metrics too, so you guys can see this pretty live. So let's put in where am I at? mlmpage.com. We'll switch this over to San Francisco. We'll start the test and we'll get some live results right here just to see how MLM page is performing. And I will take you into the back of MLM page to show you how the, okay, it's saying the load time is milliseconds right now, but guys, this, I'm not sure what's going on. Normally it should have popped up the website, so I am going to go ahead and switch this, but you see that right there. So let's try this again and see if it'll actually pop up the website right there in that little picture to make sure it's official and that it loaded, because it doesn't look like it loaded to me, but we'll see this again. All right, there you go. There, it's loading now, guys. So you see the load time is basically 1 second, 1.09 seconds, 37 requests. Page size is pretty low, 1.9 MB, and a performance grade of 90, which is a B, and I'm totally satisfied with that, guys. You guys can go up to 3 seconds. Anything after 3 seconds is just going to be slow and laggy. I don't even like mine loading at 3 seconds or 2.9. I love this speed right here, and the plugin I use accomplishes this speed. So now I'm going to take you over to GT metrics and we'll show you the performance over here on GT metrics. And I'll go ahead and put it in, and we'll hit the analyze real quick and we'll see what GT metrics gives us. Now, a lot of times you'll get different scores from Pingdom and GT metrics. Like you might be loading fast on Pingdom, and then GT metrics you know, you get a C or something and it's pretty slow. And GT metrics is more accurate, I believe. So I'm definitely going to use the the results from both of them to make my final decision. We'll just wait for this to load a second, and voila. Guys, here's the score. I got an A. MLM Page is rocking an A with a 96% performance. Loading at a 929 milliseconds, guys. That is extremely fast, extremely fast, extremely fast. So I am definitely happy with those results. Okay, so now I'm going to take you back over to MLM Page, and I'm going to show you right here. This is the back office of MLM Page. Here, let me slide that up so you can actually see that right there in the corner right there, that this is MLM Page. And you see right here, I got 30 active plugins right now, guys. 30 plugins, and I am getting a result like that. And here we are, just to prove it to you again. If you go over to MLM Page, you'll see my face right here. This is the website that I'm on right now in the back office, and I'm running 30 plugins, and you've seen the test results right here live. So if you guys want to accomplish that, it's super easy. You can run 30 to 40 plugins with this one plugin. And the plugin I use right here, guys, is, let me slide this back down, is WP Rocket right here, guys. WP Rocket. And I'll go in. I love this plugin, guys. It's a premium plugin. It does cost money. You purchase it from them, and you know, it's a lot of settings in here that you actually have to set up in order to accomplish this, because nothing's checked on when you first install the plugin. So you'll have to check some options, okay? And actually, for my premium members on the inside of MLM Page, I provide the settings that I use to accomplish basically these type of speeds. And all you need to do is use WP Rocket, guys, and you guys can easily find different settings. Actually going maybe to their website, they might show you some settings. Other people online will be showing settings on WP Rocket. So, but for my premium members on the inside of MLM Page, I do give you my exact settings that I use. So if you're interested in that, become a member to mlmpage.com, and you can access that. Also, for my members on the inside, they are going to get the WP Rocket Unlocked Premium version totally free. Okay. All you have to do is sign up, become a member to MLM Page. There is a lot of resources and tools that you can access on the inside of MLM Page. There is chat groups for WordPress plugins that you guys can have access to, that will basically send you an email every time somebody replies to a question that you might ask, or just on a certain topic. You know, if you're interested in it, you can get notifications on those certain topics and access them. Okay, so a lot of good stuff on the inside of MLM Page. I hope this has helped you guys. You've seen the speed that I showed you. You've seen the plugins that I use. Actually, let's go back to, where's plugins at? Plugins down here. Let's actually go back to the plugins just so I can show you one more again how many plugins I use on this website. Active plugins right here, guys. 30 plugins, as you can see. And I am getting awesome results like this on GT Metrics and Pingdom. So if you're highly interested in making your WordPress website load faster, I highly recommend WP Rocket. You can go over to their official website page, download the plugin, do what you have to do, or you can become a member to MLM Page, get access to the plugin, also access to the settings that I use to achieve an A plus, or well, almost an A plus, an A on GT Metrics. So I hope this video has helped you guys. Peace. Till next time.